Hello, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find the slope of -5, -3, and +4, -2. Notice here that we got some negatives, which could possibly complicate some things. If we go with the formula, you must know that the formula is going to be change in y divided by the change in x. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your y values, subtract them on top, and your x values, subtract them on the bottom. So here we go. We're going to subtract and subtract. First step, we're going to start with the change in y. So our first number is going to be -2 subtract -3. Now watch the negative here. That's a -3. That negative came from that negative. The negative here came from the word change. And the word change means subtract. So the word change is that negative. Then the other negative came from the original problem. So that negative is that negative, okay? So here we go. The bottom part is going to be the change in x. So what we're going to do is going to go subtract 4 and 5. So we got +4 subtract the 5. Watch that double negative again. Okay, negative with the 5, change, negative. All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and work this out to make a beautiful equation. We have -2, negative is a +3 divided by +4, negative is also a +5. Work it out. -2, we owe somebody $2, but we add $3, we're up $1. And +4, +5, 4 plus 5 is going to be 9 here. So we got our slope is 1/9. The other way you can do this is by graphing. Okay, so we're going to call this the graphing method. Okay, graphing method. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these points here and graph them here to see how it comes out and see if you can see any changes. All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and start with our first point. We got -5 and -3. Watch that negative on the x. Okay, so what we're going to do is go back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No point yet because we need to address the -3. So now -3 is how many we go down. 1, 2, 3. That's our point right there. So we're going to go, let's see, -5 and -3. So that's 5. That's negative and -3. So label my point, which is right there. Okay, there we go. There's our coordinate. So these two match. Okay, next point. What we're going to do is we're going to go 4 and -2. So that 4, because it's positive, we are going to go to the right for 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're also going to go down 2. So we're going to go down 2. 1, 2 lands right there. So now we have 4 to the right, 2 going down. All right, we're going to put the parentheses around there, at the comma. And there we go, same thing, a comma there. All right. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to find how to get from one point to another. So here we go. To get from this point, what happened, Mr. Painter? We're right here, down 2. There we go, 4, -2. She's right there. All right, we're good. Okay, we're going to go up 1 to get the same height as our second point, okay? So again, we're trying to get to the same height. So rise over run equals up 1. Okay, now we're going to count to get to the other point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the distance to go right. And it's also the slope. So again, take a look. Notice that our slope using the formula, 1 over 9, is the exact same thing as graphing rise over run, 1 over 9. So you choose the method that works for you. You can either choose the graphing method, or if you'd like to use the formula, change in y over change in x, notice that they'll both work. If you do use both, you'll know for sure you get the problem right because they should match. If they don't, go back, take a look at it, possibly something wrong. Thank you.